Welcome to the city of Santander. Today we are gonna tour one of the most amazing properties of the city. Right there. Hello everybody and welcome to this amazing apartment. We enter directly in the living room, which has its own chilling area to relax yourself after an intensive day of work, couches to have the best conversation with your friends and family, and a dining table that can fit easily 6 to 8 people, with 2 balconies that leads you to the best views of Santander. In a property like this, you clearly don't need a TV. This is your TV. The best views of the Bay of Santander. If you follow me through here, we have another chilling area facing east. And finally, we arrive in the kitchen. With its own marble island, bronze details, microwave, oven, lots of storage space, even with a wine cellar, and also its own balcony. This is the first bathroom of the property. It has a closet for the coats of your guests. As you can see, we have this half bathroom with the stone vanity, golden details, wallpaper, really beautiful. This is the building where we are. This is the apartment, doing all the round. Here we enter in the living quarters. Follow me. We have wine cellar with a capacity of 100 bottles. This is the laundry room. Really convenient if you have a big family. Here we have the first bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. This can be for a little kid, no? And, of course, a balcony to enjoy the views. It's all about the views here. Here, in the corridor, we lead to the second bedroom. Pretty decent size, with its own ensuite bathroom. With a walk-in shower, raindrop, beautiful decoration. Here there is the junior master bedroom, really decent size, walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom. This is also really good size. Walk-in shower, even an art piece in your bathroom. And, of course, a balcony. I think it's around 9 balconies in this property, if not more. And this is the junior master bedroom. I really love the chilling areas here with all the pillows. It gives this home-safe, warm touch. And the bed, also coming with another balcony, this time facing north. And we move to the last but not least, the master bedroom. Around 50 meters, nice beds, couch, chilling area. Not 1, not 2, but 3 windows facing north. This is completely exterior. And the walk-in closet. Decent size, with storage all your clothes. Even all the family's clothes, I think. This is the size of most of apartments in Amsterdam or Berlin. The room in Madrid, this size, can cost 1,000 euros or even more, it depends which area of the center. Here we have the master bathroom with the bathtub and the walk-in shower again. Gold lacquered details, huge bathtub. This is pretty spectacular. Thank you to the real estate agent to let us tour this amazing property, and see you in the next video. Ciao.